Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your listening time on Audible and your badges on Audible. So, once you open your Audible application, you want to go to your profile, which is in the top right, bottom right corner. Then you want to go to your achievements and listening time. And here, as you can see, we do have the time that we have listened today, the daily time, monthly time, and the total time of listening, as you can see right now. This is not my main account, so as you can see, I have only 26 minutes that are from today. And also, if you want to check your badge collection, here are some badges, as you can see. So 7-day stretch, the Alexa, so it means that you have listened through Alexa, collector doubler, and if you click on the specific badge, you are going to have the definition of a specific badge. So this is like, a little add-in. You can earn some badges through the listening, so it encourages to listen. And also there is something like listening level. So as you can see, I'm a newbie right now because, as I said, this is a new account. You have a novice, professional, scholar, and master. So every hours that you have listened, this is going to get you a new level. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.